Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. I am Kanika and today's video is sponsored by GEMSY. They have sent me a wonderful and a high quality product and I'm going to unbox it right in front of you. So being into this kind of boutique business, we generally end up needing a lot of scissors. So I do have a few of them which I ended up buying here and there, but then GEMSY is one of the best brands that I have used in my entire tenure of this business. So there are a lot of Chinese brands available in the market, but I would suggest you guys not to settle with something that is substandard and try the GEMSY product once, because the way it cuts and the way it works is extremely amazing. And the other best part is their scissors are really lightweight. This is not the first time I'm using a GEMSY scissor, but I already have a couple of them. But the scissors that you are seeing right now on the screen are really old. I just wanted to explain the difference. So that is the reason I'm just using these scissors. The one that is here is extremely old model. In back then, a few years ago, we used to always use this kind of scissor, which is the number 9 size, which is a 9-inch scissor, which used to have a metal handle. So this used to give a lot of strain to the hand, especially if you are cutting for a very long time. So then came these kind of scissors with a rubber handle, which actually made it a little easy to work with. However, they are extremely heavy. Because of the weight, your wrist starts hurting if you are using the scissor for a very long time. And that is when I explored and I found the GEMSY product. This one isn't a GEMSY product, but it is something similar to that, but it's very heavy in weight. It is some Chinese brand which I am not even aware of. uh, the reason why I still have these scissors is uh, just to use them to cut paper patterns or something that is not so like the main fabric. Because if you guys are aware, we always have to maintain different scissors for different kind of material. If you are someone who is used to cutting the paper, then always use a separate scissor to cut the paper, and then use a proper scissor if you are somebody who cuts the main fabric like a master. You will need at least 10 or 11 inches size to do the main cutting like the masters. But since this is a very old model, I have kept it to just cut some paper patterns or something related to paper. I haven't discarded it yet. uh, and then comes the this size, which is the 10 size. This can be used by a tailor who is constantly stitching on the machine, as well as if you are just doing a small time cutting work at home. The 10 size is a decent one if you are a small timer. But if you are somebody who is into cutting the main fabric, then 11 size 11 is advisable. So trimmers also, we also use trimmers for a lot of work, especially the tailors. Most of them are not comfortable using the trimmers, so in that case you can either use a 9-inch or a 10-inch. Tailors meaning people who only stitch and who are not majorly into cutting. That person is referred to as a tailor, right? So that's how it is. And GEMSY has sent me this product. I have not opened it. I'm just going to open it right in front of you guys. So let's see how the product is. But I do have an 11-inch scissor from GEMSY, and also a 10-inch, which our master uses. So it's doing an amazing job. And the difference between the GEMSY product and any other regular scissor is it I mean, frequently getting it sharpened isn't required. It maybe it runs for a very long time when compared to any other scissor. So they have neatly packed it in a bubble wrap. You can see it. It's a GEMSY brand. They do have the products online. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So in case if you are someone who is into boutique business, or if you are somebody who takes orders at home, if you are a small time pattern maker or a tailor, just visit their website and you can try their product. It is amazing. uh, the weight of the scissor is something that I like this brand for. Okay, so they have also sent a small trimmer, which I mainly use for the sari kuchu work. So thank you so much, Gemsy, for sending this as an additional thing. So the quality is definitely much better, and the size is also slightly smaller than the regular size I use. So I think it's very handy just to trim off all the extra threads, especially when you are doing some embroidery work, and also to do the sari kuchu. For sari kuchu, the trimmer is always preferred because it gives a very sharp and neat cut. So it's a very lightweight and very high quality product. That's what I feel as of now. So here's the actual scissor. Comes with a very neat rubber handle. So they have sent me the size 10, and yeah, so the 10 or 11 is the size that is used by the masters most often. So yes, and compared to any other scissor, I feel it is very lightweight. And since it's a new scissor, you can see how nicely they have oiled it. Only if you constantly oil the scissor, it tends to do its work correctly. So whenever you pick up a new scissor, do not directly use it on the good fabric. Take a waste cloth, wipe off all the oil neatly, and then use it to do your cutting. So every scissor is generally oiled when you buy it new. So this is something I really liked, the way the rubber handle is, and then the weight of the scissor as well. It's not as heavy as this one. So when I compare both, I feel this one is much lighter compared to the other one. So even the shape, you can see the difference evidently. The grip and the weight, obviously, because when you are somebody who is using the scissor for a very long time during the day, there are chances it will start hurting your wrist. So to avoid that, always pick your tool correctly. Just like how the painters want to have the bestest of the brushes to do their painting, so same with the people who are into the cutting or the masters kind of business. So when I compare both, I feel GEMSY is pretty much light, and it feels very comfortable in hand. So I am extremely excited to use this for my cutting and stitch something personally. So yeah, I think I really love the product. Always try to wipe it off neatly, either using a waste cotton cloth or a piece of tissue. So this is something that we all should do before using the scissor. And whenever you buy a new scissor, make sure to handle it carefully. Make sure you do not drop it from a height, because in case you drop it from the height, then it will lose its they say the complete scissor becomes useless if you drop it from a height. So make sure you're not dropping it from a height, and also make sure to save it neatly, either in a drawer or a place where it does not fall off from the table. So these are the important points that you have to remember if you are using these kind of scissors constantly. So yes, they also sell these kind of trimmers. They have all these products on their website. I will leave all the details in the description box. Do check it out, and they will ship it to your doorstep, so you don't have to worry about that. So just place your orders, and let me know if you are already using a GEMSY scissor like I was. So yeah, do let me know, and share your thoughts of what kind of scissors you people use, and in case you have people with common interests, people in the similar kind of business, then do share this video with them so that uh, this information reaches them as well. So here let's quickly try and cut. I just wanted to check how this works right in front of you. So I have cleaned up all the oil and I've also tried cutting. I am really impressed with the way it actually makes the notches. So I'm super impressed. This is not my first product from Gemsy though, but the YDL, this particular model, yes, what I have is something different, but what they have sent me is something different. But trust me, it does an amazing job. Absolutely, there is no any kind of strain to your wrist, and it is doing such a flawless cut. And if you do a lot of cutting over a period of time, it tends to get blunt. So in such cases, once in 6 months, you will have to get the scissors sharpened. So even the chatkas or the notch, it is doing a very good job. So the tip is very sharp and I am really happy with this product. So don't forget to check out the description below, and in case you like this product, and if you feel this product is going to help you, please feel free to order it. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys with the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.